akak tak menjahit ni sebab tak ada keyakinan lah untuk meneruskan bisnes jahitan ni. Cuma bergantung pendapatan pada suami. Selepas akak ikut kursus usahawan tu, akak praktikkan apa yang dia ajar dalam kursus tu, pendapatan memang meningkat. Kalau dulu dalam sebulan tu RM30, sekarang ni sebulan nak dekat RM1,000.
After when I went to this course, I got a knowledge. They teach me how to improve my business. Then after that, before I entered to this course, my income is only per month. I want to achieve $1,000 is very difficult for me. After I went for this course, my income now is nearly 7,000 per month.
When we first started this entrepreneurship program, we had many NGOs, community organizations, people in the grassroots who were struggling with incomes. They could start a business, but they couldn't develop it, take it further. They couldn't really be successful in it. And we found there was a need. And our core mission was to be a nation building partner. So we started working with these organizations, giving them advice, training small groups of people or small groups of business people, micro enterprises basically, some of them SMEs, sometimes for free, because we wanted to actually empower people in this nation. Now, over time, we started having large organizations come to us. We ended up partnering with our government to actually bring this program to communities nationwide that were in need, people in poverty. We've done this program throughout Malaysia, even in Sabah and Sarawak, in Borneo. And we found that one thing that made a difference is the practical aspect of our program. We didn't want to teach people concepts in a theoretical way, or lecture them, or give them something that they had to think about and figure out, how do I apply this, what do I do with it. We wanted something that could have been taught, that could be easily applied, and that could use in their business straight away. So our concept is everything that's taught, every concept that is given must be applied in the person's individual business. And sometimes we have 30-40 people in one group. Everything we teach them is applied into their business.
Selepas saya mengikuti program People System ni, saya rasa memang minda saya terus terbuka luas. Kalau selama ni saya rasa saya masih terkongkong kat dalam rumah saja, customer hanya suri-suri rumah. Tapi untuk yang ni, customer saya buka luas. Mana saya pergi ke tempat-tempat, macam saya cari cikgu, kemudian saya edarkan saya punya kad untuk cikgu-cikgu kenal perkhidmatan saya. Jadi saya rasa memang kursus ni boleh menjana pendapatan sebab dia bagi saya praktikal. Dia ajar saya daripada satu step sampai ke step yang terakhir. Saya ngikutinya semua. Bagi saya tak rugilah, walaupun kata orang saya korbankan masa saya. Bagi saya tak rugi sebab hasilnya saya nampak dalam masa 3 bulan saya dah nampak hasilnya.
The second thing that was important when we started was we did some research, and we found that there's a difference in an entrepreneurship development model in a third world country and in a developing nation. In a third world country, the income requirements per person are lower. People can survive sometimes and get by on a lot less because things are cheaper, or they are from a background where they don't need as much. But in an urban situation, in developing countries, things are expensive. The income requirements could be 1,500, 2,000 ringgit, or US dollars or more. And we needed more complex innovation into businesses. We needed concepts and strategies built into a business for the common man. So we've taken things that we have done for large companies in terms of strategy, strategic direction, and we've brought it and made it accessible to the common man to help them grow their incomes faster.
So what we are doing here is we are trying to change the financial lot of a family through the people who come here. The idea is to get them from a place where they don't believe in themselves, don't believe in society. In essence, they've lost hope in what is going to happen with their lives, and they're just living a fatalistic life. We want to change that to people who really believe in possibility thinking. Now, to do that, the first thing we do is we introduce them. We've already got hundreds of testimonies. We show them videos, we tell them stories, to prompt them, and we show them people who look like very ordinary people, even illiterate people, who suddenly have made a breakthrough. Boom! And then these people are thinking, hey, if this person who can't even speak 1/10 the ability that I can speak, if that person can change, why not me? And that's what we're trying to do. And we show them simple steps they can do it. And while they're doing that, we're working with them to change those mindsets. And they see it happening around them. The person next to them is changing. But they go home, they're already practicing this. And by the time we finish, there's a momentum, a groundswell of movement towards change. Now, let's start it early. We kick it off very early. Once they're getting there, we change this and we bring it into entrepreneurship. We teach these people now how, because now you believe, what now do I need to believe in? What can I change about my life to make it now Ketara real? And what we show them is the steps, and it's very simple. Entrepreneurship is very simple. It looks like it's a big thing that only corporations can do it and all, but anybody can do it with the skills around them. We go through showing them by using their passions, their hobbies, their skills, just taking simple things like that, create it into a format, show them about marketing, about sales, simple concepts, and people are moving. Their incomes are increasing 5-fold, 10-fold. The things that can happen here that seem almost miraculous. And that's the key. The key actually is belief. We change mindsets, then we give them the know-how.
After the seminar, we thought that okay, we should try this, because one of the things that we learned is that we don't have to take a loan to start a business, and that gave us confidence and also motivation to actually do it and to take that risk, that small risk, calculated risk. And we decided that okay, in September we're just going to start a business, and the business is actually printing and design. And what we did was we did not have a big income, so what we did was we did at home. We just called clients through emails, through telephone calls, through contacts, through friends.
Hi, my name is Mindy, and I attended the entrepreneurship program with my husband last year. Since attending the program, we have started our own business, and having done so, right now I think we are financially much better off as compared to before the program. For example, before the program, my husband was the sole breadwinner. He was the only person working because I had to take care of my son, and so we were quite tight financially. And after the program, we started from home. We had some money, so we had a little extra, and now when we have the shop, I'm running it, and we have around, last month we had 1,000 more, and this month I think we have about 4,000 more. So it has not only helped us financially, because when finances are tight at home, there are emotions and things like that happening as well. So every time finances are tight, there are worries, and we sometimes worry that we cannot make ends meet. Yeah, so having attended the program, one of the things that we have experienced and before and after is the added financial stability.
Selepas tahun saya kursus, saya mendapati kedudukan perniagaan saya dan kedudukan kewangan saya bertambah kukuh.